How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. These aren't actually my cocktails, but I am going to be making some cocktails for you today. To be precise, 7, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vodka cocktails. Tom Dyer! That's right, I'm going to make for you 7 vodka cocktails with minimal ingredients that are just the best cocktails that you can make, basically. So stick around until the end to find out all 7, and I'm going to show you a couple of little Flair tricks along the way. Don't forget to go down, click subscribe, hit that like button if you like the video, and let me know what is your favorite vodka cocktail. Just write that down in the comments box below, and maybe I'll put that into another video later on. Right, let's get to it. Can you start the fans, please? So first one is the Moscow Mule. It's in a tall glass and you need a large measure of vodka. Yes. Next you need some fresh lime in there. Half a lime squozened straight in there. Let's get fancy with our 1, 2, 3 Angostura bitters. 4. Finishing up with some ginger beer on top. Garnish wise, we're just going to squeeze a lime wedge on top. Hey presto, Moscow Mule. So refreshing, so delicious. Next up is the one that's so good they named it twice. It's the woo woo. So the woo woo is 3 ingredients. In my right hand we have vodka, in my left hand we have peach schnapps. Put them together in the glass for an equal measure of both and top that up with cranberry juice. Yeah. And we're just gonna slide that little bad boy right on top, right there. And I wanna give this one a straw as well. Good. Peachy, sweety, pink, delicious. Right, moving on to the cocktail which bartenders love to hate, which is the sex on the beach. We're building it straight in the glass. Do you remember with the woo-woo we had the peach schnapps and the vodka? Well, it's same again. You need an equal measure of both. Instead of just cranberry juice, you need cranberry and orange, and you can just pour those in, same time. Oh, nice big, massive orange wheel. And I'm gonna give this one a straw as well, just because I can, basically. Sex on the beach. Okay, the next one is probably one of my favorites. It is the White Russian. Made famous by the dude from The Big Lebowski. You've got vodka, you've got Kahlua or coffee liqueur. I'm putting equal measures of both. Some people like to put more vodka, some people like to put more coffee. I like to do equal measures. So simply, and I like to do large equal measures. Now the best part about this cocktail is when you pour in the milk and cream. So you get this lovely effect as it drizzles down onto the drink and slowly starts to merge together. And what we're going to put on top is a little bit of grated nutmeg. Yeah. Now obviously you would stir that in and mix it all together, but I like it like that. I like to present it like that with a little stirry stick or a straw. Super simple. If you take out a milk and cream, Black Russian. Bonus cocktail for you there. Right now we're doing a mix on the caipirinha. We're making a Kaipriookska. Now the Kaipriookska is a caipirinha with vodka basically. So all I'm gonna do is take a lime and these extra pieces and wedges I have here, and then I'm just gonna squeeze those into the glass. I like to squeeze it in to start the process of the drink making. If you don't have time, you can just go straight to muddling, which we're gonna get to in just a moment. But the drink is really easy, just 3 ingredients. It's vodka, sugar, and lime. Right, now sugar-wise, I'm using brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want, okay? My girlfriend will probably kill me for saying that because there's probably a certain sugar which you should be using, which I don't fully know. but she's Brazilian and she'll probably tell me off. Anyway, you can use any sugar that you want, okay? But you didn't hear it from me. Right, now we're gonna give that a muddle. Yeah. Crushed ice. Get that directly in there. And again, we're gonna do vodka. Nice large portions, yes. And then we're just gonna give that a stir in the drink. And we're gonna finish this off. Now, if you have a wedge like this, okay, and if you wanna put it nicely on the glass, if you go to the middle and then follow one of the lines that you can see on the lime and cut from the middle away, then when you put it on the side of the glass, oh, it just falls off like that. When you put it on the side of the glass, it just sits on there nice and snazzy, like that. Kaiproshka, can't go wrong. One of the most famous vodka cocktails is up next, made famous by Sex and the City. This is the Cosmopolitan. Normally you make this with citron vodka. I'm gonna show you how you make it with just standard plain vodka. So you want about 40 mils of vodka, and then you're gonna get 20 mils of Cointreau or orange liqueur. Then cranberry juice, you want 30 mils, and we're just gonna squeeze in some lemony goodness. That's because we're not using citron vodka. And we're gonna squeeze in a couple of wedges of lime, which you're supposed to have in the drink anyway. So, give it a nice shake. Right, let's get to straining. Ooh, yes. And for garnishing, you've got yourself an orange peel. I've done a full video on on peels in general that you can make for your drinks. This, you want to cut off a nice slice of orange peel, warm up the orange a little bit, and then squirt it over the glass like that. Rub it around the rim, give it a quick squeeze to get off the excess oils. Bosh, in the drink. Delightful. Right, to finish off, we're gonna make the Appletini. Right, Appletini, very easy to make. 40 mils of vodka. Yes. Then we're gonna get lemon juice. And you want about 25, 30 mils. I'm just squeezing the juice of a whole lemon in there. Then we need some sugar syrup. I'm using brown sugar syrup here, and you want 15 mils of that. Some cloudy apple juice. I'm gonna measure this one. I want 40 mils. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Not difficult, difficult, lemon difficult. Using the Tom's Tiki Shaker, which is available in my shop if you want to get your hands on one of these bad boys right here. And I put it in this nice green stemmed glass, so we know it's the Appletini. And then you can garnish this with a slice of apple. I just like to put a mint sprig or a mint leaf on top. I think it goes with the color. Oh yeah, Appletini. Absolutely delicious. There we have it, ladies and gents. 7 vodka cocktails, 10 ingredients. Very simple, very easy to reproduce. Appletini, Cosmopolitan, Kaipriookska, Sex on the Beach, White Russian, woo woo, and the Moscow Mule. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you like to make? Maybe it's none of these, maybe it's another vodka cocktail. Let me know in the comments box below what you think of this video. If you like it, smash the like button, like this. And don't forget to hit subscribe. And I'll love you forever if you do that. So fantastic. Thank you very much for watching, especially if you made it all the way until the end. Now, if you want to see me try these, go and check out my Instagram account, Dyer Bartender, where I film myself drinking all of these cocktails. And yeah, you can go and check that one out to get more info on the taste and the flavors of the drinks. But thank you very much once again for, excuse me. Thank you very much once again for watching all the way until the end. I really do appreciate it. Lots of love to each and every one of you. Till next time, I'll see you then. I'm taking this one.